In this video, I'm going to show you how to use fill and sign in Adobe Reader. So to do this, you want to open your document, then you want to go to the Tools tab over here on the right, and you want to click on Fill and Sign. Now from here up top, you have a few options. There's like these buttons over here, and then you have the signature options too. So to use fill and sign, you could either go in, of course, select where you want to fill or sign. You could use this tool over here, which is called the Add Text, to click anywhere, and you can just start typing in whatever you want and basically filling that way. You can use this axis over here, which of course when you hover over it, it's going to say add X. Then you have check marks as well. You can add these wherever you want, and of course you can click on them and kind of resize them if you don't like the size of them right now. Then you have these things, which basically are like different like rectangle looking things over here like this. You could go and use these lines. You could use these dots over here to actually put them, and then here you have the color, which allows you to change the color of pretty much anything you want to put on here on your document. Okay, and then you have the signatures over here, so you can just add the signatures, either signature or initials, and you can basically draw them, you can type them, or you can use them from an image you already have. Now I do have an in-depth tutorial on how to actually sign using Adobe Reader, so go watch that in case you are interested for more in-depth tutorials. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.